everybody, and welcome to another Staff's Water Raiders video. We're back at Dagobah, also known as Yoda's house. We've got a good feeling because we ran out of time last time. It was raining, it was getting miserable. Our backs were broken after pulling that safe in. We know that there's something in here and we're going to find it, aren't we, Dave?
We are, mate. Every time we come to this place, guys, we always pull out something a bit special. And today, hopefully, with the 550 Pro Monster, we're going to find something awesome. So stay tuned, guys. Wish us luck. See you in a bit.
Yes.
Nice find, Steve. Fair bullet, that, isn't it?
It looks like maybe the 762 or 792, the similar to what we pulled out from the canal the other day, but that,
Nice one, mate.
tell you what, I've got a feeling, Dave, we're going to pull something monstrous out of here today.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Well done, Steve.
We'll try not to drop that. That's going to have to be snapped out of the casing, that is. Shot.
As you can see here, guys, in one haul, 4 unspent shotgun cartridges there. So there must be a gun in here. It's crazy.
So the bullets that we are pulling out, I am right, we're pulling out a 7.62 or 7.62. These are pretty nasty pieces of work, these are. I've seen these things in action. They make a lot of mess. So somebody is on the rob for one of these things, but we've got loads of these now.
Well, guys, I've swapped my my rope for some cable chisel. Oh, nothing on that end. Is there a plug?
Is there a plug? Is there a plug?
Okay, we keep going. What is this? What is this? Oh, that's a bit of an anticlimax.
Yeah, but what's in the cable, mate? Could it be some heavy duty stuff?
I don't know.
Could be fibre optic or something, couldn't it?
Is it?
For a second then, I actually thought I'd pulled a barrel end, but it is just Dave's favourite thing. Not a drill bit, but a pipe. Pipe master Dave.
We're turning into the pipe master, Steve. First, guys, I wasn't sure what this was, but in closer inspection, it's another chain off a motorbike. So there's quite a few stolen motorbike parts in here. You can see there, I'll get it a bit closer, you can see, but that's definitely a chain off a motorbike. You can see.
Just a bit of a shotgun shell there. And anyone doubting the strength of this magnet right now, anyone at all doubting the strength of this magnet right now, I've just pulled in the Eiffel Tower. Managed to actually get the grappling hook through there. I'm not going to do the Goonies impression, you know, where it's like, Mikey, Mikey, come and give me a breath. No, I'm not going to stick a tongue to it. But it is a sign.
Oh yeah, it looks
See
like
from the back there, it is a sign that probably used to be up somewhere. I don't know how much we can clean it off, and I don't know how much we can see of it, but pretty weighty. Took a while to get in. So
nice one, Steve.
happy with that. Another cheeky shell, unspent. Still haven't found the boomstick though, Dave.
It's got to be in here, Steve. The amount of shells we've got in here now.
Yeah.
I mean, you show the camera where we're up to with these bullets.
This is what we are looking like at the moment. We have got a score.
So yeah, as you can see, there's, I bet there's 20 odd bullets there, different types.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably best that we don't take that home, to be honest with you, mate. It might be worth giving
The old Bill.
the old Bill a bit of a call and seeing if you want to take it off us.
Yeah. Wow, what's that? It seems quite big. It's heavy as well.
I think it is off an engine, but
Yeah. Scrap man will be happy with that.
Oh, you can smell that. You can smell that.
Nice one, Steve. Okay, guys, so Steve's on the phone to the police now, as we found 31 live rounds of ammunition, a number of shotgun shells, and we think 7.92 or 7.62. So as you can see, he's just calling them now, and this is why, because of all them bullets there and shotgun shells. So stay posted. Let's see what happens, and we should get a visit from the police shortly. On this occasion, the police weren't able to attend, and they advised us to take the bullets, bag them up, as you can see from the photo, and take them to the nearest police station in Stoke-on-Trent, which we did.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as a massive fan of tattoos, probably have noticed I've got a fair few of them. We found a tattoo machine. Some people would call it a tattoo gun. So technically found a gun, but all the tattooists on the planet will say it's not a gun, it's a machine. But that is a coil tattoo machine. My God, what a fine that is.
There you go, guys, closer view so you can see the detail of the tattoo gun that Steve found. There you go, guys, first chuck, new spot on the pond, and the 550 Pro gets you a treat every time. So yeah, big screwdriver with a pink end.
That's not a screwdriver, that's a sword for a hobbit.
Or it's a Harry Potter wand. Expelliarmus!
So we've pulled in some bite forks, pretty weighty. Good find that is. 220's just brought that in, and that has got some good weight on it, so you can pump that iron, get your biceps strong. No more puny, man. Do it now.
Well done, Steve. So just pull this in, tell us what it is, mate.
So this looks like a toolbox. The grapple actually got it in that handle.
Amazing.
That is some lucky dragging right there. You can see if we can get this open. We've got a torch.
Oh yeah.
Like a transformer unit, I think.
Yeah.
That is off a. It is a regulator for a Lucas regulator. We've got bicycle oil, jar. Is that like a starter motor or something?
Some kind of motor, yeah.
Little screwdrivers. So this is the bad boy.
Brilliant, mate. Awesome. Great
So,
find.
Yeah, happy with that.
Guys, we have a little friend who's just appeared. A terrapin or a turtle, we're not sure.
Teenage Mutant
Ninja Turtles. Here's in a half shot to the boat.
You try not to brain it. Goes back on the water to power.
More bits and pieces coming in, so is that some kind of handle? Looks like some kind of wooden handle or something. Oh god, this is like that video again.
Here you go. Can't, Dave. What you done to get your fingers? Good grief.
Fair size.
Oh, it's a big spanner.
Big spanner.
Big spanner.
Careful. Spark plug.
You know what they say about people who got big spanners, isn't it, Dave? Got
Big nuts.
What is it, Dave? Tell him.
That is the lid off a cash box. Off the phone.
Off the phone booth, yeah.
Brilliant.
So when they rob the phone booths, rip the doors off, nick the money, chuck it in the pond, and then get your face covered in crap.
Right. Oh, that's the end of the long screwdriver. Or a spear. Long screwdriver. For a second then I thought, was it the round heads or the square heads as that woman was on about?
Square heads. Go. Got some keys. Dave has used his fisherman's knowledge in here. A peg off a bivvy, which is that some kind of like almost like
Fishing
a tent
tent.
thing. Yeah. Bivvy, technical term for fishing tent.
Oh, do you know, for a second
Oh,
then
mate.
I thought that was a sawn off.
No, mate.
And it wasn't, it was just a pipe, ladies and gentlemen, on the end.
Dave's favourite thing.
Pipe Master Dave!
Loves the pipe.
But I honestly thought that was a sawn off then because it came in like that shape and I was like, mate.
Do you know what it does look like though? In Terminator, when they're making pipe bombs.
Oh yeah? That's what it was. Bloody pipe.
Somebody else's number plate is in there. We did a plate run on the one that we pulled out last time. It was a red Fiat Punto, last MOT'd in 2018. If we can find the rest of this, we'll have a look at that one as well.
This looks like, guys, I think this is a brake, Steve.
Oh yeah, it's a pedal, yeah.
So that looks like, and that the thing that goes down on the floor?
Yeah, yeah.
Or is it the clutch? Or I don't know, on motorbikes. It's definitely another motorbike part, that.
It's a motorbike, yeah. It's probably the brake pedal on the motorbike.
So
it'll face that way, upwards.
Not like that.
Kind of, yeah. Flat but the other way. There you go.
There you go, guys.
I'm going to a party on Saturday night. I've got no one to take. So I'm going to take a net.
So this has probably been eaten by the dinosaur in Jurassic Park. And if I can just show you the badge, well, covered in mud. As you can see there, little Nokia bad boy that someone's disposed of. I've been watching that online, what is it? Call of Duty? No, not Call of Duty. I'm so crap. Line of Duty. Been watching Line of Duty. That's what they use, all them bad boys.
Little burner.
Yeah. Little burners. There you go.
Hey, up there. And, oh, mate, look at that.
In a bag as well. So, I wonder why they've been wrapped up in a bag. So, bolt croppers there, guys. Let's just try and clean them up. Get this off. Clean up a little bit. Definitely bolt croppers. We'll clean them up a little bit more, but they still work as well. So, yeah, not a bad find. If there was anything in it, oh, is that the cash box there?
Yeah. It's the outer box and the inner cash box is in there. And by the looks of it, they've not been able to get into it unless... Let's just turn it around. Just turn it around.
Bad times, guys, bad times.
We're nearly there. Come on, we can do it.
Do it.
Come on,
Get
get
into
out.
this box.
Workout though, I've earned that bit.
So nothing in it, Steve, but yeah, another cash box.
Yeah. Knackered. I don't even know what to say. After all that, it's empty.
Oh, wounded, but good fun, mate.
The only saving grace is there's some cold beer in the fridge when I get home.
So we finished, guys. Awesome session in the end, Steve. You enjoyed that one?
I enjoyed everything, including the banging and getting really dirty and getting muck all over my face. Couldn't get any dirty if I tried, but yeah, it's been loads of fun there.
It's been really good, guys. I mean, we've had cash boxes. You had the gun earlier, Steve.
Yeah, tattoo gun, albeit, but it was still really good.
We're getting closer. We've had loads of tools, more stolen bike parts.
Yeah.
It's been a really good session.
Number plates and all that kind of stuff. And don't forget, Dave, we've got a shout out to make tonight.
Big shout out to Ethan. Thanks for watching, mate. It's great that you follow the channel, and who knows, someday we'll get you down here and you can have a go yourself, you and your brother. So yeah, nice one, Ethan. Guys, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to Steve, Staff Sport Raiders. We're on Facebook and Instagram as well. But thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
See you soon. Take care.
Cheers, guys.